back to SpringHillFox.com. I am Scott. Let's dive into affiliate marketing for tools that won't break the bank. You're in the right place if you're looking for free tools. I'll share some fantastic free tools to elevate your affiliate marketing game today. So hit that like, subscribe button, and let's get started. First, let's quickly define what affiliate marketing is. It's a method of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. The key to success here is effective marketing, and that's where these tools come into play. Let's start with BMob. It's a versatile platform that's easy to use and ideal for affiliate tracking their campaigns in real time. It allows you to monitor your links and see which products perform the best without spending a dime, giving you the power to optimize your strategies effortlessly. It's an excellent tool for keeping an eye on your ads. Next, we have CB Snooper. This tool is a game changer for those of you working with ClickBank. It helps you identify trending products and provide insights into which items are gaining popularity. This can significantly enhance your strategy by focusing on hot products, sparking new ideas, and boosting your motivation. And let's move on to Facebook ads. Even though Facebook ads are not free, designing them can be. Use Facebook's library to create eye-catching ads that attract clicks. For instance, you can design an ad for a trending product you found on CB Snooper, and then use Facebook's precise targeting to increase your affiliates' links, visibility, and clicks. And next we have Canva, the graphic design tool game changer for creating stunning visuals for your marketing campaigns. Whether banners, blog images, social media posts, or Facebook video ads, Canva's user-friendly interface lets you design like a pro. Next, we've got the Hemingway app. It is essential for writing content. This tool enhances your writing by making it clear and compelling. It's perfect for crafting product descriptions and reviews that resonate with the audience. Lastly, we don't forget Grammarly. It ensures your content is engaging and error-free from blog posts to emails. Grammarly checks your spelling and grammar. It has an AI writing tool and polishes your professional image. Some of the best free tools to boost your affiliate marketing efforts. Each tool offers unique benefits, so try them out, see which ones suit your needs best. We value your feedback, so if you used any of these tools, let us know how they've helped you in the comments below. Your experience could inspire others in our community. Remember to hit the subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay up to date on the latest content. Until next time, keep marketing savvy, and I'll see you soon in the next video. This is Scott. Peace out.